Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BigCommerce checkout customization for US conversion lift step by step clearly. Start by logging into your BigCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the storefront section in the left sidebar. Click on Script Manager to access customization options. Create a new script by selecting the option to add a script. Choose to add your script to the checkout page specifically. Input your custom JavaScript code tailored for checkout modifications. Make sure to save your changes after adding the script. Next, go to Settings and then click on Checkout. Review your current checkout process settings. Identify any elements that may benefit from modifications. Test the existing checkout process to establish a baseline for comparison. Now, implement your desired changes to the checkout design and flow. Use the built-in customization options to adjust themes, colors, and layout. Ensure that all essential fields remain visible, intuitive, and easy to fill out. Once you've made the changes, conduct a thorough test of the new checkout experience. Consider having team members perform the checkout to gather diverse feedback. Analyze user behavior using analytics tools to identify drop-off points. Set up A/B testing to compare the old and new checkout processes. Monitor conversion rates over a set period, typically a few weeks. Evaluate the results to determine the impact of your checkout customization. Make additional adjustments as necessary based on your findings. Document your changes and their effects for future reference. Review your customization on various devices to ensure responsiveness. Finally, consider seeking customer feedback directly for further insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.